Why do expert build PCs look so clean and clutter-free? The secret is EZDIY-FAB's build optimization solutions, making cable management fast and easy. This is the EZDIY-FAB PSU extension cable kit. This all-white 4-piece kit includes 24-pin, CPU 8+8-pin, and GPU 12V 2x6, one of our best sellers. Just connect it to your PSU cables to instantly get a cleaner, more organized look. For even cleaner builds, use EZDIY-FAB's Shield series adapters. The Shield 24-pin adapter comes in black and white, with 90 and 180 degree options, and the 180 degree version has cable better. It also includes a 3-pin ARGB cable for motherboard sync lighting. For the GPU, the 12V 2x6 adapter is available in 4 colors. Here we have black and white. Choose standard or reverse depending on whether the connector clip faces up or down. Clip facing up, standard adapter. Clip facing down, reverse adapter. Pick the right version based on your GPU position and cable routing. We recommend planning your cable run before purchasing to ensure clean aesthetic. RTX 4090 and 5090 users are advised to use original cables from the PSU since they draw a significant amount of power. But our adapters use the latest 12V 2x6 specifications, which meets the safety standards. In addition to cable management, we also offers the Shield ARGB upright GPU mount with PCIe Gen 5 riser cable and 90-degree HDMI and DP adapters for a unique GPU mounting solution. The installation offers a fresh aesthetic that you've never seen before. It comes in black and white with 400mm and 600mm riser cables for different cases. These EZDIY-FAB premium accessories can be reused for future PC upgrades as long as there are no major changes in PC building standards. They keep your system clean and minimalist every time you upgrade. For an easy, professional-looking build, EZDIY-FAB is the easiest and fastest solution.